Divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay Divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by So Good Shop. So thank you So Good Shop for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But yeah, without further ado, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs on this gorgeous unit, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, jumping right in, today we have a quick weave by Outre. It is the 4A Kinky and we have her in the color S1B/30. This unit does come very tightly and defined, and it's very bouncy, but of course we're going to go in and fix that later. So this is a standard half wig, so I don't need to really tell you about like the cap size or anything. And then it also comes with the comb in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Now once I put this unit onto my head, it did look a bit crazy, so I'm then going to go in and make the unit work for me. And later on you will also see me turn the unit around, and the purpose of me turning the unit around and wearing it upside down is to give it like shape without having to actually go in and cut it, because I don't know how to cut like this type of hair like with the curls. I mean, maybe I do, I don't know, but I was just being lazy, so I just turned the unit around and it gave it like a really nice shape that I really liked. You guys can tell me what you guys think, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I just went in and made the unit work, and it was super easy, so don't worry. If you're a beginner, it'll be super easy and you'll be looking good with your protective style. It's like really pretty. I love this natural style. This is goals. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So I mean, it's really quick and simple and to the point, because it is a half wig. I really do like it. I feel like I do need to still like play with it and everything, but I do really like it. I feel like it's like a really easy, affordable unit, especially if you want to do like a protective styling and you like natural hairstyles. I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and this is perfection to me. I wish I can get my natural hair like this, but I am not good at styling my natural hair. So I definitely think that if you're like me, or if you're just too lazy to style your natural hair, I think that this will be really good. I do love the way that this looks, just because it feels like it has like a shape to it. I felt like the other way around, it did not have like a shape or anything, or it didn't have any definition. For some reason with the shorter, I think it's shorter in the front, I just flipped the unit around and it looks really good in my personal opinion. You guys can let me know what you guys think, but I feel like it kind of like has like a shape now. So yeah, my overall thoughts on this unit, since it's so simple, I really do like it. I feel like this is natural hair goals. It is just so freaking pretty. Like, I really love the curls. It just looks like a natural perm rod set, and yeah, I really do like it. I think it's pretty, and I do like the streaks of the blonde in there. I feel like that's really cute for fall. I mean, for all year round, but it's really cute for fall. Like, it screams fall to me. So yeah, so since this unit is so freaking easy to style, like, I would definitely have to give it a thumbs up and say that it is definitely purchase worthy. So I will have a link down in the description box below in case you guys are interested in this fabulous unit. But yeah divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous divas did enjoy this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you fabulous divas think, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, girls, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous divas in my next video. Bye.